Hey guys, welcome back. Long time no talk. I'm so excited to be back. I was trying to make a video of why I've been gone for so long. I'm just gonna quickly just say it, get it out there so you guys know and hopefully will understand. On September 1st, I went through a miscarriage, and so I was having a really hard time with that, and I decided a break from YouTube and a break from social media and everything was probably best. I took that break and now I am back, hopefully. Just joking, I'm back. Today we're going to be talking about modesty, because, I mean, come on. We're Pentecostal, so we need to make sure that when we're worshiping or if we bend over or something, we're still modest. Actually, before I get started, I just want to say that everyone's modesty standards are different, and if you have different modesty standards, that's totally fine. Okay, now let's get started. The first one I'd like to point out is your neckline. Okay, so you have this collarbone right here. I don't like to go more than 2 or 3 fingers lower than that. Sometimes we get crazy with our worship and we bend over, or like if you're having to bend over and pick something up, you don't want to show yourself to anybody. So that brings me to shoulders. If you, like, once you lay your finger flat on your shoulder, no further than 2 fingers over. And then arm lengths. I wear t-shirts a lot. I say like your whole hand above your elbow is probably the highest. That's typically what a t-shirt would be. If you raise your arm and you can see your armpit, immodest. That's when I would throw a cardigan over a shirt that I want to wear. If your sleeve is like tighter fit, hey, go for it. That's the way I feel anyway. As long as you can't see my armpit, I'm golden. If you're in any sort of leadership, or if you're going to be on the platform or something, or if you're going to be used in that service, I'd say to the elbow or lower. And your shirt length. If you are worshiping and you're getting that Holy Ghost high, you're going to want to make sure your shirt does not ride up. Before you even leave the house, just do a little dance. Just make sure your shirt isn't bouncing up to show your stomach. Also, I like to raise my hands just to check how high my shirt comes. If it even gets close to showing my stomach, I can't wear it. Or you got to tuck it in or something. Bending over. If your shirt comes above where it should, it's probably good to change your shirt. If your skirt is a little too snug and you're seeing curves or bumps or stuff, you might want to either change your skirt or get a very long cardigan to cover that up. Okay, skirt length. I wear my skirt just under my knees. If I can sit down and my knees are covered, my skirt is long enough. If I can dance and worship and my skirt doesn't bounce above my knees, my skirt is long enough. Well, I am editing and I realized I didn't do an outro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped somebody. If not, I guess I'm a failure. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up so I know that you liked it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit that subscribe button while you're over there. I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.